you have a Marvin Ultimate sliding French door with this hardware in it and it's stuck in the lock position and you can't get it unlocked, this video is just for you. So if you have one of these doors that's stuck in the locked position, what could have happened was someone managed to get this door locked in the open position, which you can't really lock unless you press this little safety tab in here to get it to lock and unlock. Well, they managed to do it to this lock. And as you can see here by the evidence, that there's a real big dent here, and they also dented it here. So this door probably wasn't adjusted right when after they put it in. And the little rivet that holds the lockbox part to this tie rod or tie bar, well, the one at the bottom come detached, and this bottom one was the one that was stuck in the lock position where I couldn't get this door open. So I'm going to show you how to get this door open when it's stuck in the lock position. So the first thing you want to do is have someone go on the outside and grab the handle. So when you take the handle off the outside, the handle doesn't fall down and get damaged. I'm all by myself today, so I'm just going to let it fall. Just like that. So now that we got the outside of the handle off, we'll go ahead and take off the handle from the inside. Now that I have this handle removed, I want to take and check the back side to see if this tail piece is broken. If it's broken, then obviously you wouldn't be able to unlock your door if this was broken. In this case, it's intact, so we'll go ahead and move on to the next step. So now we'll go ahead and take our flat screwdriver, our slotted screwdriver, and we'll go ahead and unlock it. I did feel some resistance in there, so obviously I can feel that this lock is still, part of it's still working. But if you still can't get this open, I want to show you how to get it open. So now what you're going to want to do is you want to get a nice sharpened, stiff putty knife. And the reason why I say sharp, because you want a sharp edge, and we're going to take this piece of wood off, this trim piece. We're going to get between this seam here, and we're going to pull this out so we can see the lock mechanism inside. So now we're going to go ahead and remove this piece of trim here. Now, if you do have a piece of trim around your door, you're going to have to remove the trim because you want to be able to see this piece here. So hopefully your trim, when your installer and put your trim on, you either put it here or closer out here. But you need to be able to see this seam. Take a utility knife and score any paint if you had any paint or stain. That'll make it a little easier for that to come off. And next you're going to go ahead and put this putty knife in here, and you're just going to gently work your way all the way up and down. And we're going to pull this off and set it to the side. So if this connecting bar didn't come out with this piece of wood and it's stuck in your door here, go ahead and take this piece. If it's stuck in here, you can take a pair of pliers and just pull it out of this kerf here and just have it come right on out. So this is what the kerf looks like on this side. So if you see this piece stuck in there, go ahead and pull it out, and that's going to give us access to in here. So we're starting at the bottom. If you only have a 2-point locking mechanism, you can start at the top. So we're going to go ahead and take this hook, and we're going to hit this little keeper here, and we're going to move down on the hardware, and you'll feel it, or even if it's broken, once you pull down like that, your door should come open just like that, and you can replace the hardware. So now we're at the top. So if doing the bottom doesn't get your door unlocked, we'll go ahead and move this to the top, and we'll move down on this. In there, you'll feel the tension. Just go ahead and move down on it just like that, and the door should come right open. So this is what a close-up of the little keeper looks like, and what we were doing. We were trying to get the hardware unhooked. And this is what a close-up of what the lock looks like. And what we were doing is we were taking this hook and we were moving down on this hardware to get the door unlocked. Now that we got the door open, we'll go ahead and replace this defective hardware. There you go. I got the old defective hardware out of there. We'll go ahead and get a brand new one, and we'll go ahead, take it, and we'll go ahead and replace it in the reverse order. Okay, we'll go ahead and put the handle set back on. Okay, we'll go ahead and try the lock, make sure it works. And now we'll go ahead and reinstall the trim. So as you can see, there is a little bevel. The bevel goes towards the door panel. You go ahead and put that in that kerf just like that, and we just push it all the way back on. Well, there you have it. That's how I get a Marvin ultimate sliding French door that is stuck in the lock position unstuck. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider hitting the subscribe button at the bottom. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.